Here I have ASUS ROG Phone 6D, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, you have to firstly go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change recording resolution, you can change its quality, you can change its frame rate, you can also change its storage location, you can change its orientation, audio source, you can enable countdown before recording if you won't need to, you can enable pop-up confirmation before recording, not really. You can show visual feedback, like you can show touches, touch tracks, touches and touch tracks. Okay, let's check this out. You can block overlay notifications, could be useful, and you can stop recording for incoming calls or alarms. Okay, so to start recording, just tap on this button once, and then this kind of menu appears. Okay, recording starts immediately. So now we can record our screen. So as you can see, with this feature enabled, you can see you can track my finger. Nice, yeah. Like I can make a hard reset logo like this. Check this out. Real art. Okay, so when you're done recording, you just tap stop. And after that, recording will be saved to the gallery, to the screen recorder section, and here it is. So from here you can share, edit or delete your recording, or perform other actions from this list. I mean, these ones. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.